Frames warped by prolonged sun exposure can totally mess up your windows and doors, but fixing them doesn't have to be a headache. If your window or door frames are all bent or cracked from the sun beating down on them, first thing, check what kind of material you're dealing with. Wood, vinyl, metal, because that changes how you fix it. For wooden frames, sanding down warped spots and using wood filler can smooth things out before repainting with UV protective paint. Vinyl frames might need heat treatment to gently reshape them. A hairdryer or heat gun on low can do the trick, but be careful not to melt the plastic. Metal frames usually warp less but can still bend from heat. Gentle hammering with a padded mallet might straighten them right up. Always clean the frames before starting repairs so nothing gets trapped under paint or filler. After repairs, adding weather stripping and applying a UV-resistant sealant helps protect frames from future sun damage. If the warping is too bad, sometimes replacing the frame is actually less stress and more cost-effective than trying to fix it endlessly. And don't forget to keep blinds or curtains closed during the hottest parts of the day to protect your frames from getting worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with sun-warped frames is ignoring early signs like small bends or fading paint, which only leads to way bigger problems down the line. Catch things early by inspecting your frames every few months. Another common error is using the wrong repair materials like standard paint instead of UV-resistant options, which just lets the sun keep doing damage fast. Always go for products made for outdoor sun protection. Lastly, rushing repairs without prepping the surface properly causes peeling and cracking later on. Take your time to clean, sand, and prime before you start fixing anything. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners trying to find trustworthy local contractors who know how to handle frame repairs and other home projects without drama. Plus, it helps contractors get legit gigs by connecting them directly with people who need their skills in real neighborhoods.